Hi everyone, and welcome back in Adventures in Nodeland. Hello, and I don't know. This is 2 minutes to 5:30 p.m. here in Italy. I don't know where you live, so it might be a little bit later or a little bit sooner. I don't know. Let me know what time is it over there. Where are you from? What are you doing today? So I'm here streaming again, and today we are going to develop a bug, a new feature in Platformatic. Okay. Hello. And a little bit. So let's see how it goes. You know, usually when I do this, I tend to get, I don't know, a little bit. What's the name? I tend to get a little bit sideways, and you know, it's not always I hit the point when I stream new features in Platformatic. So from time to time, there is obscure bugs that are coming out. So let me stream. Let me send a tweet today so that people can join. Maybe even from my social media. And hopefully today there is no problem with audio, video, and everything. Let me know immediately if there is something that's not working, so that I can try to fix it like I did last time. You know, turn it off, turn it back on. It worked, but we'll see. So I'm live on Twitch, developing Platformatic. Here we go. And customize post now. Here we go. Okay, we are live on the things. Hello. Hi. Good. Okay, so what are we going to do today? I posted an issue in the chat and should be at the top of the chat. So you can open up and see what we are going to work on. Maybe. Let's try that. Okay. And then let's do automatic scene switcher, and let's start. So, okay, so now I'm here and it works. Okay, amazing. So git status, okay, we have nothing. Git checkout -b, new plugin option. Hi. Okay, so what do we do? So this is the issue. Let's open that up. So in Platformatic, it is the things, and it is the issue that I'm working on. So, and basically I want to change the configs to plugins. Before it was plugin, and it had it was an array to support multiple paths. This has a lot of problems because it didn't really work as I would expect to, especially on the TypeScript configuration. Let me show you what I mean, because here, if we didn't do that, we had TypeScript, and if there were TypeScript, it was an array, and all of these options were for each one of those plugins, and this was a mess. In this way, it's actually way clearer, and you can specify multiple paths and everything. It's pretty cool, but it needs doing, right? So let's get it done. Have you got any questions about this? Maybe we'll see. So, okay. Git status, okay, and we are on a new branch, and we can open Vim. And so the Platformatic is set up as a monorepo, and it's we use PMPM. It's a great tool, by the way. You should be using PMPM, to be honest. And then in here we have service, and sorry, I have this open somewhere else, so I just need to close it up. Okay, so here now I should be able to open it again. Yay! Okay, now it works. So here you can see that I have the plugin, and here you see this is super bad because its plugin can be an array as well as code. Doesn't really makes a lot of sense. Or so what do we do? How do we make it better? Okay, So, okay, let's start in pure TDD fashion in changing our code. Okay, so here is load and reload files. This is where it is, and yeah. So I need to change this file apparently. So I want these plugins, and these should be paths, and this should be a file. These should be plugins, and these should be paths. I really like this music. Plugins, paths. Plugins and paths. Okay. Plugins and paths. There's a lot of tests. All of these will break badly on my face. I'm not happy about this. Let me see. It's yeah. Oh yeah, exactly. Plus plugins, paths. Okay. Oh, seems good. Okay. We have got it all done, at least this test file. Okay, so now push D, packages, service, node, test, load and reload files. And it's exploding my face. Okay. Schema. This is okay. So this needs to change heavily. Yeah, completely. Are you familiar with JSON schema? If you got any questions about JSON schema, ask me. These are quite a little bit of advanced use of JSON schema, to be honest. We are essentially defining this is the schema, and then we have defining all the pieces as variables, and it's basically, so these should be plugins. Okay. And I don't want to share at all plugin types. Okay. So plugins, this becomes plugins. Okay. And plugins. Okay. And we don't need any of this. Actually, we can just even drop this. Way, way simpler. Type object, yes. So this is paths. Paths can be. Okay, where is an any off? Any off. Okay, yeah. So paths can be an any off. And yeah, any off. Okay, either a type string. Okay. And then an array with items type. Oh, sorry. Path is an array. Make a mess. This is an array. Okay. With items which is an any of. Okay, either array or object properties, and this is okay. Okay, and here we have the path. What we wanted, I want to have the path and the options. Path, which is type string, and options type object, and yeah, let's tell him this is just freeform. Okay, cool. Then we have TypeScript, okay, which is a Boolean. Whoa. And yeah, can it be a Boolean though? I haven't tried ChatGPT integration with NewVim. I have Copilot installed, and I feel pretty good at it. To be honest, Copilot, GitHub has gifted me Copilot for free. So given that they also use all my code to train it, so I think it should just be okay if I use it. So yeah. Okay, let's try with the type Boolean. And that would be fun. And this is gone. Required paths. Okay. Cool. I'm happy. Do you use ChatGPT in your code, in your day-to-day code? Okay, where are we? So this is the type Boolean, okay? And then we have, this is the first piece. Did this make any of this pass? No. Big time no, didn't care at all. Okay. Yeah, cool. So now with this can load, we need the index file. Okay. Now remove this because it's going to be, so let's do if, okay, so if there is, if ops plugins, there's always plugins, okay? Plugins is always there. If there is, it's always there. So I just need to do, okay. I need to split things up though, because it's not in the plugin. So here, okay. Okay, I need to move this thing up because this is an array, so I need to do here, okay. So if ops plugins TypeScript, okay. Okay. To do these, fix this. Let's not talk about TypeScript. So plugins paths. Okay, and load plugin. So this blob can go. And whoa. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So what we want Oh, I remember now why I did it that way. I took a very very cheap route to implement this feature. Okay, so let's not do any of that. Let's keep this function where it is. And what we need to move is the wrapper path. Where is the wrapper path? Yeah, that's what we need. The wrapper path. Okay. Okay. Ops. We're not going to use, we're just changing this. So this is going to be, let's call it sandbox wrapper. Sandbox wrapper. Yay. Okay. So here, if opts for paths. Okay. Then in here we have okay, and let plugin. Okay, if type of plugin string plugin. Okay, then here plugin path start. I need start. Okay. So these are good questions. There's a good question in the chat. And why is platformatic JavaScript and not TypeScript? I have two answers for you. When I am creating code, I just want to live in a very, I want to have the lowest possible barrier between me and innovation. And I think TypeScript creates this kind of a barrier between me and innovating stuff. And if you want to create something new, it's very hard for me at least, to get it done in TypeScript. And I much prefer to get types done after the fact. Okay, so here, if it's directory, else. Okay, we load, if it's a directory, we load the directory with autoload. Plugin paths and options, plugin options. Okay, this is cool. And then we register it with, we register the plugin, but not the plugin, because we need to actually load the thing. So how did we load the thing? Okay. And here it's import file. Okay, Cool. And oh yeah, no, we need to do some magic first to support TypeScript and everything correctly. So const loaded await and loaded, and here we want this loaded yes module loaded. Do you know why there is this underscore yes module in here? This is Webpack or TypeScript or a lot of other things like that. So it's okay. This seems pretty good. Okay. Now this seems pretty good. So, okay. I need to take this sandbox. Okay, so in order for this to work, what it is, not to load. Oh, here, okay. So loading plugin, okay, and this is plugin, okay. Then I need to, I need this bit of magic. But I need this. I need this bits too. Okay. Okay. So we are doing turning on, copying on the auto reload and is watch enable things. Okay. So we have the if it's watching and auto reloading. No, I think it's we need to put it in here. Okay. So if it's watching and not reloading. Oh, wait a second. We don't need this. Loading plugins opt no, it's opt plugins path. Okay, so here it's opt plugins auto reload, opt plugins auto reload, and oh, okay, here I need to okay. Here I have the wrapper path. Okay. So here path, wrapper path. And ooh, options paths. Okay, then we do these magical bits that makes error work. Let's just make it happen. Let's make undich work, otherwise it won't. Then is watch enable, is auto reload, and we'll register that. Else and await app register import actually this is a common JS file, so I can just require this. Yep, and that will take care of it all. Look at how simple it is. Oh my goodness. If only it works. So we can zap all of this. Let's zap and remove stuff. I love removing code. Suck at it. Cut it out. Cool. And we still need to fix TypeScript, by the way. So, ooh, 10 out of 10. Good. Oh, config is not defined at line 76. Config is not defined. So let's do ops, plugins, watch. But where is it? Yeah, this is not, it's in the config. So it's on app. It's not here. App, Platformatic Config, watch. Should be that. Oh, autoload wrapper. Oh, no, it's not autoload wrapper now. It's sandbox wrapper. Okay. Invalid URL. Good. Cannot find module. And oh yeah, path. Cool. Okay. Whoa! Look! Only one test failing. Come on. Been good. The path archetype string. Okay. Received undefined 363, but I think I made a mess on the test. .363. Oh yeah, plugins. Cool, it's passing. Amazing, did a good job. Let me pat the back. I've been done a good job. Cool. So, but TypeScript is totally not working at the minute. So, it's totally not working. Totally not working. Let's try, but I'm pretty sure it's not. Ooh. Oh, okay. And never used. Autoload. Can go. Okay. Start. Can go. Cool. And line plugin option. Oh, where is it? Oh, 67. Okay. So here, oh, yeah, this is completely not. Let's do that and then we'll figure it out. Okay. Loaded is constant. 20. Ooh, sorry. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's run this and see where we are. A lot of failures. A lot of failures. I'm not liking them. More failures than anything. 63. Lot of things. Yeah, and CLI is completely broken. Okay, well, I need to do, okay. Node test autoload. Let's start with this. Ooh, super failure, mega failures. Okay, autoload. Okay, yeah. So plugin. Okay, so this is plugins, this become paths, and this becomes that. Okay, plugins, this become paths. Okay, this is can just become paths, and I can just wrap it up in this way. Plugins, paths. Oh, there is a question in the chat from iFritzord. iFritzord. Cool name. Hey Matteo, I've just developed a utils package for the company I work for. What do you think is the best way to ship it? npm plus GitHub. So you publish your module on GitHub, and then you publish it to npm. So, but just pushing it is just enough. You need to also maybe handle the community when you publish some code outside. But yeah, sure, that's great. I'm so happy that more companies are pushing code open source. To be alive. I'm really bad at singing though. Okay. Okay, mostly good. Oh, paths. Where did I write paths? Paths. Oh, I look different today. How do I look different? So I did a few things. Okay. I did a better configuration of my camera. I watched a lot of YouTube videos here. Oh, it's kind of the same. Okay. It was just a little bit different on the with the headphones. Is it the same as last time? Also, last time I just had a shampoo. Look familiar now. Yay. Okay, now it's all passing. Okay. Cool. Node test config. Yay. Okay, failed all the time. We need to go and update everything. Plugins, paths. Path file, options. Okay. Paths. Path. Okay. Okay. Is Twitter down slowish for anybody else? Let's just look. Is Twitter down slowish? Seems fast enough. I don't know. Seems fast enough to me. Yay! Oh, by the way, in an hour I'm going to go live with these friends called Stackstream, and maybe you can just follow me there too. I don't know. I will try that platform for publishing that stuff. Anyway, just mentioning. Plugins, paths. How many times do I need to make this change? I should have written a Vim macro to get it for me. Okay. Seems it's not working. Get stuck on the first damn test. What is the problem here? Oh yeah, here it's a problem. It did crash somehow. Okay, this is loading. It's not getting here. Ooh, this is a mistake. Okay, we have a bug. We have a bug. It's not ops. It's ops. It's plugin options. Here it is. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Anyway, there is a very good, a very nice nickname in the chat. So which I really like. Pio Dorco Santo Subito. Really nice name. Okay, so where are we? Okay. This works. This is... Oh. config. This is not working because this is incorrect. Plugins, paths, path, file. Here we go. Now this should work. No, it's not. It's not. Doesn't work. Why you don't work? Which line is okay? Looks super strange. Let's put an only here. Oh, wait a second. What? Oh, file rewritten from a route. Okay, not this one. Written. Ooh. Written. Okay, here. Here it's. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here we go. Oh. Okay. Course. Okay. Node test load plugin. Test metrics. Okay. Oh, okay. This is explodes. This is not needed. This is not needed stuff. These are leftovers since I extracted this from Platformatic DB. Okay. Okay. Let's fix this. Okay, running it. Ooh, okay. Then that everything else should fail so badly. Oh, this is a good question. Why not Dinoland? Okay, I can give you that answer. I'm part of the Node.js Technical Steering Committee. And yeah, I'm not a supporter of Dino. They're a good product, they're a good team. I just, no, I would not use them. I didn't think it was a good idea when it came out. The way they came out, essentially. They could have positioned themselves in a positive way, not in a negative way. And I don't know why they did that aggressive marketing against Node.js. And I don't know. Do you use Node or do you use Dino? Yeah, that's what it is. Okay. So, okay, this failed all the way. Okay. So in the end, Dino ended up re-implementing all Node API. It's even listing the Node.js copyright in some of them. They just lifted some of our code. So what's the point? Sorry. Okay. So if I do that, so we have start, and this is okay. I need to go and update all of those. No, this. This is not used. Okay. This is actually wild if I'm doing this. If I can make this work, I don't think it would. Oh, well, they can ask, you can ask why not Bunland, you know, but Jared is a friend, so I like Jared attitude quite much better, quite much more than Dino's. So okay. By the way, folks, do you know if tsconfig is a JSON 5 or a JSON? If you can figure it out while I'm coding, that would be even better. Okay, only 3 failed. Okay. So start. My start test is starting with hello and pictures, and this is it's fixtures. Ah, is this one at the top? This one I didn't update. Okay. tsconfig is a JSON file. Ooh, this did not work as I would have expected. I think Oh yeah, I know why. Here I need to do magic. Okay, so if let's remove this plugins. Oh no, plugins. And plugins paths. Plugins paths. Plugins paths. And we remove this. And this is plugins TypeScript. Don't need to handle arrays now. Oh, but we don't need to handle any of this. Fun. Oh, it's never going to work, but yeah. Okay, now this is starting. Plugin options. Okay, this is options. Fixtures, options. Here we go. So plugins. Okay, this is YAML for a change. Ooh, paths. Oh, additional property options. So here it's path. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Cool. So let's try node test CLI validations and see how it goes. This passing. Okay. Node test CLI gen schema. Node test CLI watch. This is not working. I have a feeling. No, it's not working yet. Okay, let's see how it's going. Yep, needs to change. Plugins, paths. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Okay. And here it's plugins, paths. Plugins, paths. Hello, hi. I'm not Jesus, by the way. Hello, hi. I should probably trim my beard. What do you think? So we are implementing the issue for all of you that joined. We are implementing the issue at the top of the stream, so you can see it here. This issue refactor the plugin configuration for Platformatic. So that's what we are doing, and it's a good one, but hopefully we'll see. That's what we are doing. Have you ever tried Platformatic? Have you ever tested Platformatic? Would you like to? And here we go. I don't do miracles, or maybe I do, and then you're right. Do you know if I do miracles or not? If I do, I might be Jesus. I don't know, but I don't think I'm doing miracles. So a little bit of blasphemy. Come on. I'm sorry if you're very religious, by the way. Ooh. Didn't work. The test didn't work. Okay. So here we go. Okay. Might be something that's not working in the code. So here, what's the watcher? Who watched the watcher? Come on. Oh, yeah. Plugins. Here we go. Who watched the watchers? Oh, it passed! Wow! I'm actually ecstatic now because things are progressing super fast in this stream. I'm on a roll. Look at all that green. It was all red when we started. So happy. So happy. Compile is going bananas, but we'll fix compile now. It's compile, that's the problem. So all that green minus TypeScript. I'm sorry. Just a second. Okay. Okay. Some water to wine, and I can do to TypeScript to JavaScript maybe, or JavaScript to TypeScript. Am I tired? Do you think I am tired? Today I fixed a really bad bug in Platformatic this morning, and I did a new release. Then a few meetings. Then yeah, I'm tired. Yeah, no, come on. Okay, so let's just chat a bit. So stop this and intro. Okay. So okay, few bits, a few good questions. Okay. So first question, is there a reason why some modules use the MJS extension and other JS? So do you know what MJS means or JS means? The MJS are the new ECMAScript syntax with the import thing. Now, the reason why in some I'm using MJS because I have some dependencies in tests that some dependencies that are ES6 and I needed to use them. I started all of this with CommonJS some time ago, and to be honest, there is no point in migrating a code base. So I ended up staying with this kind of mixed thing, and yeah, to be honest, it works great. Like it doesn't have any problems. So that's why MJS with anything else, and yay. So some other stuff. Am I tired after 1 hour of streaming? Do other streamer take a break? I don't know. How do they do breaks? This is a good question. I probably haven't watched them too much, or put close attention to the streams. So, how do they do breaks? How do they handle them? Okay, I take a break. I just go away from 5 minutes. I find you're here back waiting for me. I should probably take a bio break at some point, but that's a different story. Okay. or maybe not. So another question: why not TypeScript for this new project? This is a good question. Fundamentally, my TypeScript is I can code in TypeScript. I probably don't have the knowledge to code a framework in TypeScript like other people have. And the reality is that I needed to innovate quickly and deliver fast, and JavaScript offers that. When I do TypeScript, I'm just fighting all the time with compilers. Now, today I've learned that, or yesterday, I've learned that with TypeScript, you could create a closure that's wrapping a generic definition that's not exposed. It's amazing. But yeah, I didn't know if that was even possible. So I'm following Matt Popcock, and he's amazing. So maybe someday we can have him on this stream to get things going. I don't know. So, more question for me. How many hours spend a day in front of the machine? Maybe 10, 12, something like that. Between 10 and 12. It's yeah, but I do very often breaks. I do a longish break in the lunch, spend some time with my daughter, then spend some time, then take a couple of breaks in the morning, a break in the afternoon, and then maybe 1 or 2 hours after my daughter is in bed, because I typically need to catch up with a lot of open source. I don't know, how many hours do you put? Yeah, how many hours do you put on your in front of the machine? Oh yeah, the tweet about the closure. Like, I don't know. Have you seen the tweet? Okay, no, because this is something incredible. Let me bring that up, okay? Because to be honest, we need to talk about that stuff because it's beyond anything that I've ever saw. So, okay, and this is. Let me get it because it's blowed my way big time. Just trying to find it for you. Yay. Okay, here is it. Okay. Now. It's. Okay. This is it. Okay, let me bring it up. Okay, so this is the original tweet from Matthew Phillips, and it says, just learn about TypeScript contextual types, outer, inner, and it's wild. And I asked for a link, and then a long discussion about this, and then blah, 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 blah. It is the actual thing, okay? Like, this blow my mind big time. Like, how does this even make sense? Okay. So you define, like, this is not okay. I have no clue how this even, like, look, there is this, it in outer it makes sense, but in inner it doesn't. And I have like no clue how this is even possible. I'm just, if somebody wants to explain it to me, I was trying to follow that tweet and I couldn't. So anyway, this is the link and I'm just pasting it into chat. And follow Matt Pocock for tips about TypeScript, by the way. He's amazing. Me confused. Yeah, me too. That's why, if you ask me why I'm not using TypeScript, that's the reason. Okay, that's super confusing. But look, it's what it is. Okay, so cool. Amazing, folks. Okay, so let's go back to my plugin. Okay. So I ripped it off, all the logic that did started the compilation. So I'm pretty confused, pretty sure. Yeah, I have new Messaggi. Yeah, I do. I do have Messaggi. Yeah. And I'm not. I know who is it. And hi, ciao Francesco. Hi. I need to reply to you. By the way, my DMs on Twitter are open, so if you want, you can get to me easily. And so yay. Yay. Just a second. I just need to reply to one. It's hello. Cool. Okay, I replied to the message. Okay, amazing. Sorry for that you wait. Okay. So we have the compiler that's not working. Okay, so here in start, so service, this does nothing. Okay, so we have, yeah, so here does the watch. Okay, so here we start the watching, compile watch. So we need the plugins. Okay, if this can be true, okay, so if this is true, that's fine. Then we need this, okay, and there is no build option. Okay. Then it's config.plugins. Okay. Okay. Something. Even if the build is false. Okay. Okay. TypeScript plugin, no compile. And so this is probably not correct because, oh yeah. Yeah, true. No, we want it. Yep. So compile here. We need, so where is it? Compile. Okay. Execute. Execute. Here we go. It's, we need to load tsconfig. Okay. It's const tsconfig, not is a read file. Okay. And JSON parse. Let's JSON parse that. And then console log ts config. Oh, yeah, wrong. Here we go. Hi, folks. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Yeah. Okay. Even if build is full. But there's some other problem here. Just a second. So here, plugin. Oh, yeah. Cool. Whoa. Yeah, this is not working. Okay. Okay. I need. Yeah, but do I need the config file? This file. Do I need the ts config? Sorry, read file. Why is not printing it? I Pino slogger.info. Ts config. Should compile TypeScript. Should compile. Ah, yeah. I need to. No, I don't need this. Don't need this here. Okay, there is more question. Oh, okay. There is some more interesting questions on the chat. Let's take a look there. Just a second, folks. Sorry, things getting. Sorry. Sorry, folks. Just something came up. Need to. I'll set it up. Sorry. Made some mistakes. Okay, so can I give some example, some device contribution to open source project like Node.js, Fastify, Pino, etc.? So yes, I can. So what you can do is you can go into Fastify, okay, if you want to do that. tools. Okay, here we go. And you can go to contribute. And here there are a lot of good first issues that you can tackle. So you can just go here and you just pick some of them. For Pinot, we don't have a website, a nice website like that, but you could go to Pinot/Pinot and you can get issues here and label its good first issue. Yeah, here we go. So just a second, folks. I need to deal with some stuff. Anyway, and so and here we go. Okay. So, yay. Okay. So here, here we go. Okay. Oof, a lot of changes here. So, oh, this is a good question. I would like to experiment with Fastify. Can you suggest some video tutorial? This is a good question. Okay. What would you like to see in a video tutorial? Because I might need to create one for you. So if you want, we can, if you tell me what you would expect, or if you have something that you liked with Express or something like that, I will be very happy to recreate something with Fastify, and so you can follow along or something. So, okay. Here. So start. Okay. Oh, here. Okay, here there's some wrong stuff. So plugins. Okay. And here is just TypeScript. Okay, and here is plugins TypeScript. Okay, this needs to be true. And this is if nope. Haha. Okay. If so, no, I don't think we need this. Okay. 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 Yes. We are starting to get there. Yeah, that would be a really good if I just need to understand exactly what kind of content you would like to see on Fastify, and then I will get it done. Okay, so very happy to produce a few videos, good video tutorials explaining things. There are a few talks of me sharing Fastify stuff, so that would be easy. But I think maybe just small videos, like small pills of how do I do that, like 10 minutes of video. I think that will be plenty of cool to produce. So just let me know exactly, and I will be very happy to produce. Sure. Okay. Okay. I have a secret weapon, PLT TS bug. Okay. Let's see here. This is a bug I was working on today, and here I'm just going to hijack this for my purpose. Okay. Here. Okay. This is it. This is not going to work. Okay. Ooh. E. Won't work here. I need to update this one. Okay. Ooh. 363. Made a mistake here. Okay. It didn't work because, okay, it's not able to get that information here. Cool. So, okay. So what I need to do is, okay, I need the config path. Then I need the I need to find a matchy TS config here. TS config path. So join config path, not this. And I need the TS config.json. Okay. Then const TS config read file TS config path, and then JSON parse await TS config. Yeah, I need this. Okay, oh, their name is not defined. Okay. Okay. Out there. Compiler options out there. Okay. 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 Then we need to remap ops plugins paths map plugin if plugin type of I have 5 more minutes and then I have to go, folks. Okay, get plugin. And here I have the out dir. And here I have the config path. This is, no, yes. This is plugin. Okay, and this is just returns this. Else, return path. And here is path. And options, plugin options. Okay. Ooh, is not defined. Yeah, go to the top. And here it comes, this comes from util. Get, yeah, this one. Yay, Marcelo. Yes, absolutely. Oh, yeah. Gets, yeah. Oops. Plugins paths. Ooh. Okay. Console log ops. Let's see what this gets in printing. Okay, paths, dist plugin. Okay, but I need the out dir to be, yeah, resolve. And dir name ts config. Okay. I don't have resolve here. And yeah. Ha. Oh, not tsconfig, it's tsconfig path. Here we go. Come on, I have 3 more minutes to get this going. 2 more minutes. Whoa, it worked. Amazing. Very happy about this. So here now my test should be passing, or mostly passing. Didn't pass. Cool. Anyway, the application is starting up, so I am kind of positive that things are getting... Ooh, yeah, but I need this anyway. Okay, so... Oh, yeah. This is the problem. Part of the problem is that... Haha, yeah, I know that there is bugs here. So I know bugs exist in this piece of code that you'll need to iron out. So stay tuned. We'll do another stream later on. Not today, maybe in the next few days to finish fixing this. Might be tomorrow morning, to be honest, if I need this done essentially as soon as possible. So thank you for watching. I'm going to join another stream on another platform called StackStream. They're launching today. So, and tomorrow I'm going to do some room with them. Okay, so yay, maybe that would be cool if you want to join there too. It's stackstream.com. So anyway, thank you for watching and for being with me this evening, and see you soon. Bye, folks. Bye-bye.